Building numbers. Hello children, let us learn formation of greatest and smallest numbers. To form the greatest number without repeating the digits with a given set of digits, write the digits in descending order. Let us form the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 6, 7, 9 and 2. Use all the digits and do not repeat any digit. First, arrange the given digits in descending order to form the greatest number. 9 is greater than 7, is greater than 6, is greater than 4, is greater than 2. Thus, the greatest number formed using the given digits is 97,642. Let us form the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 6, 7, 9 and 2. To form the smallest number without repeating the digits with a given set of digits, write the digits in ascending order. Arrange the given digits in ascending order to form the smallest number. 2 is less than 4, is less than 6, is less than 7, is less than 9. Thus, the smallest number formed using the given digits is 24,679. Let us see how to form the greatest and smallest 6 digits using the given 5 digits by repeating the digits. The greatest 6-digit number using the digits 4, 6, 7, 9 and 2. The given digits in descending order is 97,642. To get the greatest 6-digit number, repeat the greatest of the given digits at the remaining place on the extreme left. Here, 9 is the greatest of the given digits. So, repeat 9. This gives 9,97,642. Thus, the greatest 6-digit number formed using the given digits is 9,97,642. The smallest 6-digit number using the digits 4, 6, 7, 9 and 2. The given digits in ascending order is 24,679. To get the smallest 6-digit number, repeat the smallest of the given digits at the remaining place on the extreme left. Here, 2 is the smallest of the given digits. So, repeat 2. This gives 2,24,679. Thus, the smallest number formed using the given digits is 2,24,679. Let us see another example with 0. Form the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 5, 1, 0, 7 and 8. Use all the digits and do not repeat any digit. The given digits in ascending order are 0 is less than 1, is less than 5, is less than 7, is less than 8. So the smallest number formed by these digits is 0, 1, 5, 7, 8. A number cannot begin with 0. If we start with 0, we do not get 5-digit number. So, exchange the places of 0 and 1. Next smallest digit, 10,578. Thus, the smallest 5-digit number formed using the given digits is 10,578. Greatest 5-digit number formed with these numbers is 87,510. To form the smallest 6-digit numbers using the given digits, repeat the smallest digit. Smallest 6-digit number is 1,578. Repeat the smallest of the given digits. To form the greatest 6-digit numbers using the given digits, repeat the greatest digit. Greatest 6-digit number is 8,87,510. Repeat the greatest of the given digits. Let us recall. To form the greatest number, arrange the digits in descending order. To form the smallest number, arrange the digits in ascending order. To form the greatest 6-digit number, out of 5 digits, repeat the greatest of the digits. To form the smallest 6-digit number, out of 5 digits, repeat the smallest of the digits.